This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cassandra Lopez LLC. Welcome to your 2019 built, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom haven in a prime location. This charming residence boasts modern elegance and convenience, with an inviting open floor plan flooded with natural light. Step inside to discover a cozy living space and seamless access to the front porch. Picture-perfect evenings await as you enjoy panoramic views of the Magic Kingdom fireworks, creating magical memories with loved ones. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a gas stove, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite with a spa-like ensuite bath, while 2 additional bedrooms offer versatility. With top-rated schools, parks, and entertainment options nearby, this home embodies modern living at its finest. For more information, review the details below or contact Cassandra Lopez LLC at 407-876-2090.